इस कार्यक्रम के पुण्यार्जक हैं तीर्थंकर मूलनायक श्री 1008 महावीर भगवान एवं आचार्य कल्प चंद्र सागर जी के भक्त परिवार लाडनू राजस्थान।
नमो रिहंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आयरियाणम नमो वजायाणम नमो लोये शवशाहुणम एसो पंच नमो यारो सव्य पावप्रणासनो मंगलाणं च सुवेसिम परमं हवै मंगलम परमं हवै मंगलम। I want to go in front of Tirthankar Adinath Swami, who is Moolayaka Vivek Vihar, Delhi Jain Temple. Param Pujya Acharya Shri Adi Sagar Ji Maharaj, his Pattadhish Param Pujya Acharya Shri Mahavikati Ji Maharaj, Param Pujya Acharya Shri Bimal Sagar Ji Maharaj, Param Pujya Tapasya Samrat Sanmati Sagar Ji Maharaj, and his Pattadhish Param Pujya Chaturth Pattadhish Acharya Gurudev Sunil Sagar Ji Maharaj. Please give me wisdom and knowledge. What the Diwali? For why? Why? Only for 2 days? Only for 3 days? Why not for whole life? Your life should be celebration. Each and every moment should be celebration. When each and every moment should be celebration. When? I just telling in 44 stanza of Venasaru, Siddhimna Pasiddhim Kim Dhidimbyana Dhayayevi Siddhimana Samadhikim Samam Binata Venaya Samam Binata Venaya Samam Binata Venaya Siddhi Bina Prasiddhikim. Siddhi के बिना प्रसिद्धि से क्या लाभ? This is the rhyming word सिद्धि न प्रसिद्धि धृति न बुद्धि शुद्धि न समृद्धि है ना. So like that it's not possible to translate these all things in English. One time somebody was in drama. It was in Hindi. The foreigner came. He was the near dear close friend of that Hindi person. So foreigner told, oh, everybody is laughing, everybody is feeling happiness, but I am unable to see what is happening here. So please translate in English. Okay. So he started to translate. And the person who was the actor, who was the main in the drama, that play, he stopped him. Hey, please don't disturb. Everybody is singing to you. No, I'm not disturbing. I'm translating. But it's not possible. Then that person who was the main player, main person, main artist, he told, tablik, 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 tablik. Horse came and tablik, tablik, tablik. Hey, translate it, tablik, tablik, tablik. So many things are there which for you unable. For you unable, it is for you unable. It is unable to take it, test it, enjoy it. So that is the way. You want to get the test, you got the enjoy. You want to finish your hunger. Oh, feel. Then what thing is there? You can't translate. You can't translate. Do you know the emotions, the belief system of the person, of the orator, that is different. And the person who is listening, the person who is translating, his whole life is totally different. Bhagavan Maharaj Swami, whatever Bhagavan Maharaj Swami told, see the peak of his intention. Before some previous years, he decided a great intention that I will transform the whole universe. This was great intention. But me, otherwise any other monk who is delivering his thoughts, his shlokas, his mantras, I have not that much velocity in my intention. Acharya is telling, Siddhi Vinaya Prasiddhikim, Siddhi achievement. You attained something, you achieved something. Okay, you got each and every thing which is compulsory, necessary to get name and fame. You got too much name, but without achievement. You didn't achieve anything. and you became very, very, very famous. You suppose, food. I know one moment. One person was there who was the very, 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 very dedicated devotee for Munishi Tarun Sagarji Maharaj. So Munishi Tarun Sagarji Maharaj told to a person, चुपचाप से धीमे से, "Hey, come here. Give him honor." Then committee member, society member, the person of the trust committee of the organization, chairperson of that organization, he came when there were thousands of persons, and he gave too much honor, and he praised too much on mic in front of so many persons, thousands persons were there. Everyone start to clap. Then program finished, and after that person came in room. So somebody praised him. Oh, in front of thousands persons, you didn't invest any single rupee. What you got this much honor? Oh, this much honor is not possible for the trillionaire person also. The person who is great donor, it is not possible for that great donor. When you got without donating, without investing money, you got this much honor. Then that person told, the disciple, the devotee of Maharaj, he told, यार माला से क्या मिलता, खाने को तो रोटी चाहिए. He told कि what is the use of this honor? What is use of this publicity? What is the use of this fame? I want food. I want some money. So which is the priority for you in your life? What is achievement for you in your life? Different person, they have different mindset, different beliefs are there. They have different need and necessity and demand is there. Their different desires are there. So for person to person, it will vary. Vary means for you, achievement is something different. For that person, your definition, his definition, achievement is different. So got too much name, but you didn't achieve anything. What is use of that name? That name. Dhrati, dhidi vina, dhiyaevi. Dhrati vina buddhi se kya labh? Dhrati means retention power, patience. Patience gives retention power. So I got something. I remembered something that somebody somewhere perhaps it was Raji Dikshit. One time he told that calcium, it will retain all micronutrients. So many nutrients and micronutrients in your body. But without the calcium, with the deficiency of calcium, nothing can retain in the body. And body feel weakness. Same thing happens. Dharti, dhairya, patience. Without patience, you can't retain anything. So many good qualities are there. But when anger is there, jealousy is there, revenge is there, no patience, no patience, no patience, no patience, no patience. Hey, do it, hurry up, do it, hurry up, do it, hurry up. Arey, why hurry up, yaar? Why hurry up? Why hurry up? Patience. The person who's too much patience, really, his ideas, his planning power, his education power, it will work properly. Intellectual powers. The person is very, very, very intelligent, but without patience. Then there is no use of that. It's these all things. Shuddhi vina samadhikam. Shuddhi vina samriddhi se kya labh? What is the use of prosperity without purification? If you are unable to purify your thought, if you are unable to purify your actions, it should be relevant with your target, with your goal. Purification also should be there. If water is not pure, you're drinking it, you're taking it, you know how much harmful that water is there. It will cause up so many diseases. The same thing, so many ideas, so many thoughts are coming in your mind from so many persons, from media and from other sources. So many thoughts are coming for your own mind generating so many thoughts, but there's no purifier is there. So many water purifier are available in market, But what about the mind purifier? That is the monks. Really, that purifier, it will purify your water. And the voice of monks, it will purify your whole life, your mind, your ideas. That is the way. शुद्धि बिना संबुद्धि से क्या लाभ? सामम बिना तवीणय, सामम बिना तवीणय, तवीणय, तवीण. Penance. You're the peak of penance. Consider the person who speak of penance, but there's no samya bhav. Samya bhav means he has no patience. Sometimes he feel उतावला हो जाता है, बावला हो जाता है, पागल सा हो जाता है. उतावला बावला both are same thing in Hindi. No patience. Without patience, whatever you're doing, it will be more dangerous than any terrorist activity, more dangerous than terrorism. That's a styling. साम्य भाव के बिना तप से क्या लाभ? How much penance? It's no matter. Just this much penance, but with samya bhav. Samya bhav means equanimity. It's the feeling of equality. Without feeling of equality, you can't cause anything in any field of your life. Also, see, that is the punching point. Success, firstly, it will happen, it will create, your mind will create the success. Firstly, your mind will create the success, the dream of success. Without the dream of success, you can't get anything. That is the main thing. सिद्धि के बिना प्रसिद्धि से क्या लाभ है? सिद्धि के बिना you're not achieving anything. Like Kolu ka bell. The bullock is running, but not getting food. It is unable to produce the oil before so many years. Without this all machines, before the age of machines, there was Kolu ka bell. It was a traditional way to get the oil from any seed. Kolu ka bell, bullock was there. It will just move round. Because the moving of that Kolu, that machine will active. Because of that machine, that is so deshi machine, so general, so simple machine. There was 0% talent used in that machine. But talent 0%, but oil, too much oil. So Kolu ka bell, it is doing too much hard work, but after doing this all things, he is not getting anything, no achievement. He is unable to cause something great, something good in his life. Acha said that is the very dangerous thing of English literature, of English language. For animals, we can use it. Also for the neuter gender. Neuter gender means for stone, for wood, we can use it. It means the meaning of the sentence is there that according Bible, otherwise according the English language. According the English language, animals are non-living thing. Some person, he was great philosopher of ancient time. He also told there is no soul in ladies. Western philosopher told it. Perhaps it was Aristotle or Socrates, I don't know. Perhaps. How much feeling? How dirty feeling? How dirty thought? You want too much name, but no achievement. You're too much intelligent person, but no patience. Without patience, you can't retain that intelligence, the talent. You want to get each and everything in your life, every quality, every guts, every skill. So one thing is very necessary, very necessary, and that is patience. The person who has no patience, he will do this thing and then stop this thing, then he will start a new startup. Then he will jump in any something in new field, in new factory, in new business, in new job, and he will not get enough money, enough name. Surely, in beginning stages, in primary stages, he will not get anything, no any achievement. And then he will move to switch to another company. Do you know about that the person who is switching from company, first company, then second company, then third company, then fourth company, the supremo of that company, the boss of that company, he will not feel love and affinity and oneness with that employee who is switching every time, company to company, company to company. They don't stop it. Stay in the same company. Then we'll get the promotion. Then we'll get too much name and money and every achievement is there. Without patience, there's no meaning of life. I spent my 16 years of my life with Munishi Tarun Sagarji Maharaj. In these 16 years, so many monks also came in my life and they told me, "Hey, bhag ja yahan se. Kuch nahi mil raha yahan se. Bhag ja yahan se." They motivated me, not motivated with wrongly, with negative intention that motivated me. Leave him, leave him, leave him, leave him, leave him, leave him. They proved that cunning mentality, that those cunning person, they proved it. I'm not getting nothing. That monk with Munishi Tarun Sagarji, he got this much crores of rupees, this much lakhs of rupees. What you got? Even the servant who spent 2-3 years with Munishi Tarun Sagarji, he got this much money. But you didn't get anything? Leave him. But with patience, I spent 16 years. And now, it's my greatness, it's goodness. It's a great thing of my life that I'm with Acharya Shri Sunil Sagarji Maharaj. Patience gives you each and everything. Patience, purification, patience, purification. That is the root of every success.
पुण्यार्जक हैं तीर्थंकर मूलनायक श्री 1008 महावीर भगवान एवं आचार्य कल्प चंद्र सागर जी के भक्त परिवार, लाडनूर, राजस्थान।